Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today in moral science class we will do unit 9, don't hurt others. Take out your books. In unit 9, chapter name is don't hurt others. This is the moral also. Moral and chapter name is same. Your parents are also saying that don't hurt others and you have to follow it. Today will never come again. Be a blessing, be a friends, encourage someone. Take time to care. Let your words feel, heal and not wound. So, never hurt others. There is a picture, 6 pictures, and related to this picture we have to write one story. Write the story presented through pictures in your own words. I have written, you have to note down on your book. Win hearts with love. See here, once upon a time, there were 2 friends, Nick and John. John was kind-hearted and well-behaved, but Nick was so rude. When John gave him a balloon he burst it. John again brought balloon for him, but Nick again did the same. Third time, again John brought a balloon to please him, and this time Nick did not burst it, and this way John won his heart with love. This is the story you have to write on your book. Okay students, take out the next page. On the page number 42, there is this page, a deep wound on the body made with a sharp weapon will be very painful and irritating. Furthermore, it would take many days or even months to get it healed. It causes discomfort, suffering, and losses to many. A mental wound is more painful than a physical one. It takes a very long time to get it healed. Here are a few tips that will help us to be more effective and interesting in the exchange of ideas and views. Be convinced of what you want to convey and speak it out. Don't beat about the bush. When you do not know what to speak, you will surely speak something unnecessary. Beware of criticism. Finding fault with others is really a cruel hobby. Don't criticize others. There is goodness in everybody and try to find it. It will help you give the other person enough respect. Give respect and take respect. Consider the other person equal to you. If you consider the other below your standard, it will be reflected in your words. Remember that nobody is perfect except the other with all his or her limitations. Have a pleasant facial expression when you talk. A smile on the lips makes the other person interested in you. Always try to make the other person feel important. Let him be the center of speech. It will make him interested in the conversation. Show respect for the opinion of others. Listen to all. Call attention to their mistakes indirectly. Develop an ability to understand the feelings and problems of the person you are interacting with. Imagine yourself in his or her position. Then do and speak what gives him happiness. Don't praise others too much. It will create in their mind a bad impression. Be truthful and sincere in your words. Stop when you feel that the other one is losing interest. This is the chapter and you have to keep all the points in your mind and never hurt others. Okay students, now we will do the exercise. It is activity time. Answer the following questions is 1 or 2 sentences. A part, how is a mental wound more painful? A mental wound is more painful than a physical wound. It takes a very long time to get it healed. Next is B part. Tongue can be sharper than sword. Explain it. Tongue can be sharper than swords because unnecessary words can hurt mentally, which is more painful. C part. What happens when you don't know what to speak? When we do not know what to speak, we surely speak unnecessary. D part. What is the advantage of having a smile? A smile on the lips makes the another person happy. There are true false. A mental wound is more painful. True. Tongue can be sharper than a sword. True. Spoken words can be taken back. False. We should always criticize others. False. This is your chapter and you have to write it on your book and learn it properly. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.